In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export customers from your Shopify store. Let's dive right in and simplify this process step by step. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin, which is essentially your store's backend. If you're not familiar with this area, it's where you manage all aspects of your online store, from products to analytics. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but we're going to focus on finding the Customers tab. Click on it, and this will lead you to a page displaying a list of all your customers. It's a comprehensive view, allowing you to see who has purchased from your store, along with their details. Now that you're in the Customers section, the next thing you need to do is locate the Export button. This button is your gateway to downloading and exporting your customer information. Once you click it, you'll be presented with several options that cater to different needs. Firstly, you can choose to export the customers visible on your current page. This is handy if you're only interested in a particular segment of your customers listed on that specific screen. Alternatively, if you want the complete picture, you can opt to export all customers. This option ensures you have a comprehensive snapshot of everyone who's interacted with your store. If you have certain customers in mind or have performed filtering, you can select specific customers or those matching your current filters based on tags, location, and the like. After deciding who to export, it's time to choose the file format. Shopify typically provides a couple of CSV formats. One is tailored for Excel, numbers, and similar spreadsheet programs, and the other is a plain CSV file. These formats are incredibly useful because they allow easy integration into various applications and systems. You'll want to select the one that best fits your needs or is compatible with your preferred software. If you wish, there's an option to tweak the export further by including additional details like customer tags and specific meta fields. This can be incredibly useful if you need deeper insights or custom data points regarding your customers. Once everything is set, hit the Export Customers button. Now keep in mind, if you're exporting a small group of 50 or fewer customers, Shopify typically sends the file directly for download via your browser almost immediately. However, if dealing with a larger list, Shopify will email the CSV file directly to the store owner's email address. So, do check your inbox after a few moments if this is the case. And there you have it. Exporting your customer data from Shopify can be straightforward when you know the steps. This process empowers you with valuable insights into your customer base, helping you enhance your store's performance and customer engagement efforts.